Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog, my Ramadan daily vlogs. Today we are decorating my living room and making it Eid festive. I bought a few decorations, but I actually got this special package in the mail, so we're gonna unbox it because it's a Eid gift box from John Lewis, which is super sweet of them to send me. I'm really curious to see what's in here. And plus the box itself is actually beautiful. Like, I don't know if you can tell, it's proper sturdy. I don't know if they sell this box, I will find out, but there's like this decal engraving in the wood. Really beautiful. Yeah, so it's great because I can actually just store my Eid decorations in here. I usually store my Eid decorations in something like this in the garage, actually this exact container in the garage, but now I'm going to use this. Anyways, I'm rambling, so let's go in here and see what's inside, and then we can decorate my home because Eid actually may be today or tomorrow or the next day. And I'm not ready at all, as usual. Right, let's go in here. So I got this in the mail, huge box from John Lewis. Thank you again. Not sponsored, but kindly gifted. And I just briefly took a look in here because obviously. So the first thing we got is fringe curtains made out of stars, gold star shaped fringe curtains. So we're gonna put that up. We also have a little baggie here. Stop laughing at me! Some gold string lights. We have some lovely Eid Mubarak cards, which are beautiful. They're from different places. Devora.co.uk and the artfile.co.uk. We have some decal napkins and a glitter bunting. I didn't know these things were called buntings. Let's open this up.
What do you think they were called?
Banners? Aren't
banners just like the one that says like happy birthday?
Yeah,
like
sort of the same, right?
I don't know, I've always called it bunting.
Really?
Yeah.
You're so British.
You're so
There's
Canadian.
a word for everything. Canadians are like that hangly little thing. And we also got an Eid chocolate.
Cute.
So this is so sweet. This is so thoughtful. I just want to make it look nice. Cool. These out like this. Okay, cool. This. Cool. Wine! I love wine! I have one after every Doher Salah. Just a glass. Stop, Rola.
Like, please let it be halal.
Please let it be halal. Waitrose, vibrant, zingy, sparkling raspberry, and pomegranate refresher. That sounds delicious. This box is really well thought out. Create a beautiful table setting for your family and friends. John Lewis luxury hammered table collection. Enjoy its simply delicious Waitrose nibbles and sparkling raspberry pomegranate drink. Decorations. Decorate your home outdoor space with a gold bunting, fairy lights, and gold stars. Aw, and gifting friends with family with treats. Oh, this is so sweet. You know what? I'm so glad I'm giving them like a proper unboxing because this was well thought out.
Definitely.
Ooh. What do you think this is?
Tea, or no, to serve food.
What's the name? A pitcher. Ha! One me, one Miriam.
Wow. I don't think they know the real you. How petty. Queen petty.
Okay, you want to know something so interesting? First of all, this is such a gorgeous picture.
Definitely.
Me and Amir were discussing what finishes we want for the handles in the kitchen.
Yeah.
And we wanted gold, but we didn't want like shiny polished gold, so we decided to go with a brushed gold that's like this color.
Ooh, that's gonna be nice.
That's nice, right?
Yeah,
versus like a very
definitely
like a shiny gold. No, this is more like a blunt gold.
It's like a toned down one, like muted.
Yeah. This is so cute. Water jug. Why did I smell it? And some glasses. Yeah, so this is the gold shade.
Ooh, that's cute.
That's so cute, right?
For a family of 3.
It is so sweet.
So cute.
So cute. This serving dish.
It would be so cute.
Mare Bear.
It's so sweet.
Look at this. This looks like what you know when you order butter chicken from
when you go to the restaurant.
You go to restaurants, you order butter chicken. It comes in something like this.
Yeah.
Right? This is so cute.
That's so cute.
Oh, babes. John Lewis.
There.
Which John?
Which John? Ooh.
We also have some baklava. We have some Eid. This is John.
Lewis.
3H box by Hotel Chocolat. And we have Eid Mubarak like box. That's, I'm assuming this is John Lewis brand. There's like dates, chocolate covered pretzels,
Apricots.
mangoes. This is fun, right? You'd want to watch this, right?
Yeah, of course. Leave that bit in. What scent
I
is
love
it?
unboxing.
I love unboxings.
This smells so good. What
scent
the
is-
heck? It smells like a very attractive man.
What's the scent? Is it good?
Damson and Vetiver. Oh my god, it smells like a really attractive, kind man. It smells like Amir. I have to say that, obviously.
Yeah, I know. I'm just gonna be like, that's the face of a liar.
No, you know when you're stuck in an elevator with like an attractive dude,
And you're like,
oh, he's cute. Okay, try not to pay attention, and then they smell good. They're like, damn it!
You're
And
like-
he smells good, and then
Yeah,
you use
just
your
like-
floor. That's happened to me way too many times. We also have some Waitrose. I love Waitrose soft dates. They're pitted. We have some soft figs. You have a fig tree in your back garden, don't you?
yeah, I love figs.
You don't bring me any. This is really well thought out. Like, they legit put everything in
Definitely.
here that you need. Oh no, this is heavy. Please be marble. Please be marble.
It's marble.
It's marble. You get a marble. You get a marble.
Oprah Winfrey.
Stunning.
That'd be nice.
This would go with those cheese platters I bought from Home Sense, the wooden ones.
Yes.
This is beautiful, and this is. It just says 30 pounds, but I'm assuming it's John Lewis
It
brand.
is John Lewis.
What? Table runner in sparkly gold.
Ooh. You're sorted for Eid.
I know. I guess I know what my theme is.
Ooh.
Pretty, right?
Very pretty.
The tea light. Another tea light. Yay! This is so sweet. Did you guys enjoy this unboxing? It's a bit random. But you know what? This was very well thought out. So thank you, John Lewis, for sending this to me. And I cannot wait to dig in during Eid. Now, I have these decorations that I can mix with last year's decorations. Amir is decorating. And by the way, Amir lost weight, you guys.
Oh yeah.
So
Fasting
inspired.
flex.
Fasting flex. Okay, so did I lose weight?
Yes, you did.
So we are going to be putting up Eid decorations, but you know what? I'm tired, so Amir's going to be doing them.
Surprise, surprise.
So we have this, and we also have the big container of Eid decorations in the garage. You're gonna have to bring them actually.
Let me go grab those.
Okay, cool. You're so extra. Get out of here. This resemble wedding night. You actually, you.
Here's Johnny. Oh my days.
Amr spent way too much time at home these past few months. Oh my god, this I give it one. It's not even on properly, babe.
Yeah. What about that?
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh my days, this works.
This does work
I actually go
actually.
to eat salon.
You want to show up? Yeah, to the mosque with this.
For outdoor prayers.
Okay, I'm thinking, why don't we cut it up and we put it on there, but we cut it up.
Why would you want to cut it out?
Like do like layers, so like 3 at 3, 3, 3. That way it takes up the whole.
Kids. The minute Adam sees this, trust me, he's getting yanked. You know it, I know it, the cats know it. That survive.
Wait, what? He didn't have enough Eid Mubarak balloons because they were deflating. So he made Adam.
Yeah.
That is so cute, babe. He did such a good job. It looks fantastic. Love it. Love it.